I wish. I wish.
Into the Woods is a modern retelling of fairy tales that we know, but reimagined.
I wish.
All the characters go into the woods, each with their own wish and mission.
Everybody gets their wish. And then what? And the fairy tale gets really exciting.
Everybody who goes into the woods comes out a different person.
The theme very much is careful what you wish for, because the repercussions of that may not be what you ever envisioned.
Maybe I shouldn't have strayed from the path. Maybe I shouldn't have attended the ball.
It's really, I think, a journey of growing up and figuring out what the world is all about.